Let's talk text structures. Remember, the text structure is how the author organizes their text. Here we have a list of all of the different text structures that we have already talked about. Descriptive text, sequencing of events, what's sequencing, compare and contrast, cause and effect, and problem and solution. So when we're talking about biographies, the text structure that we're most likely going to see is sequencing or chronological order. Chronological order is a type of sequencing where the author is using a specific time frame or a specific date to tell us about when those events occurred. So let's look at an example. If you are a fan of gymnastics, then you most likely have heard of Gabby Douglas. Gabrielle Gabby Douglas is a gymnast. She was born on December 31st, 1995 in Virginia Beach, Virginia. She has 3 siblings. So here the author gives us a specific date to start off her timeline of her life. Gabby became interested in gymnastics when she was 3 because her older sister taught her how to do a cartwheel. She began formal gymnastics training when she was 5 years old. She won her first state championship when she was 8. So instead of using the transition phrases that we're used to, like first, next, then, we have specific times, dates, and ages that lets us know when the next event is occurring. So we started off with the date when she was born. Then we read that when she was 3, she first became interested in gymnastics, followed by the age of 5 when she began formally training in gymnastics, and then at 8 she won her first state championship. The reason why chronological order is so important in a biography is because we can't just put these events in any type of order that we want to. We can't say that at 8 she won her first state championship, and then on December 31st, 1995 she was born, and then when she was 5 she started gymnastics. It wouldn't make sense. So it has to go in that specific timeline, that specific chronological order. When she was 14, Gabby moved away from her family to train with a well-known coach in Iowa. This was a bittersweet thing for her to do because she missed her family so much. In 2010, Gabby exploded onto the national gymnastics scene. She joined the United States national team and became well known for her ability to fly high on the uneven bars and floor exercises. She earned the nickname the Flying Squirrel. In 2012, Gabby competed at the London Olympic Games at the age of 16. Along with her 6 teammates, Gabby won the team gold medal. She also won the individual all-around gold medal. She is the first African American woman to win an individual all-around gold medal in gymnastics. She also became the first female gymnast to win the gold medal in both the team event and in the individual all-around event. In 2016, at the Rio de Janeiro Olympics, she won the team gold medal with her teammates. Gabby has been an inspiration to young gymnasts around the United States. Here we have our main idea as our last sentence. So again, when we're talking about chronological order, think about a timeline when the events go in a specific order based on the time frame when they happen.